Friends, I am Dr. Sujit Ghosh. Welcome to my channel, Dr. Ghosh Presents. Top 8 homeopathic remedies for bad breath or foul smell in mouth. What is meant by bad breath or foul smell in mouth? In simple words, unwanted foul smell that comes out from one's mouth when one speaks, reads, yawns, sneezes, etc. is called bad breath. It is also called halitosis. Halitosis is a medical term for bad breath. Please remember, bad breath is just a symptom, not a disease. Actually, bad breath is a disease, is a symptom of some other disease. It is a symptom of some other disease. Now, what are the causes of bad breath? Poor oral health, improper cleaning of teeth, denture, etc. Denture, you know, denture means various appliances or various settings that attached with teeth. Certain foods and drinks, bacteria on tongue, gum or mouth diseases, products of tobacco like cigarettes, snuff, smokeless cigarettes, etc. Please remember, tobacco users are at high risks for oral cancer. This is very important thing. Whoever uses tobacco, they must remember that they are running at high risk for oral cancer. Periodontal diseases. Periodontal disease means diseases of gums rather. And diseases of gums and mouth. Xerostomia or dry mouth. This xerostomia is a technical medical term for dry mouth. Often the culprit causing the problem. It is caused by less amount of saliva from production in mouth. That is, when there is less production of saliva in mouth, xerostomia or dry mouth disease, dry mouth or xerostomia is caused. Sometimes this xerostomia is the culprit for the bad breath. The main reason is there. In that case, you have to drink water adequately, because xerostomia, one of the causes of xerostomia is taking up water less. What are the causes of bad breath? It is continuing from prepreg. Chronic bronchitis, chronic sinusitis, infection of lungs, windpipe, nose, gastrointestinal disorders, diabetes, kidney disorders, liver diseases. Please note that bad breath is not directly related to breath always. It may be related to other diseases like liver disease, kidney disease, diabetes, gastrointestinal disorder, infection of lung, sinusitis. Sinusitis, I have given a small note on sinusitis on the right hand side. Please note, there are 4 paranasal sinuses. Sinusitis has come from the term sinus. This 4 paranasal sinus, these are 1, 2, 3, 4. Mainly these 4. These are on the top rank. The name of the sinuses are ethmoidal sinus, maxillary sinus, frontal sinus, phrenoid sinus. And inflammation of this sinus is called sinusitis. Sinusitis. How bad breath can be prevented? Quit all sorts of addictions. Wash mouth and teeth after getting any food or drink. Must. That means often we ignore this. Say, someone was busy with some work, so reading, doing something. At that time, some person arrives and he or she gives something to eat or drink to the first person. And that person takes it, but he or she forgets to wash mouth. That is dangerous. If you take anything, anytime, drink or food, you must wash your mouth, inside mouth, carefully. This is a must. Maintain oral cleanliness, teeth, gum, tongue, throat meticulously. If you have denture, put it off at night before going to bed. Keep mouth moist by taking water about 2 to 2.5 liter a day. That is common thing, very common thing. For any related problem, say other problems, consult dental expert as soon as possible, because in this way the dental expert are the most I think most reliable persons in this regard. So you must consult them. Discussions about treatment for bad breath with homeopathic remedies. Write a curve for bad breath. Whole mouth filled up with vesicles, especially inside the cheek. Saliva runs out while asleep. Fetor oris. Fetor oris means actually bad breath. This is technical term, medical term. Fetor oris. Bad breath, fetor oris, same thing. But unnoticed by themselves. That is, the patients do not know that they have fetor oris. It is Barrett curve. Barrett curve is not at all ashamed for his fetor oris, because he or she does not know that he is suffering from bad breath. Mark solve for bad breath. Offensive, putrid odor from mouth, painful, ragged, swollen gums, boils on gums, gums painful, increased saliva, fetor oris, flows means actually saliva. Saliva flows during sleep. Saliva flows during sleep. Acid nitric for bad breath. Bite their tongues and cheeks. Saliva bloody with green coating on tongue. Ulcers in soft palate with sharp pain. Fetor oris. Phatak for bad breath. Much stringy mucus. Very painful small ulcers on side of cheek. Tongue fiery red at tip. Feels burned or pains at the root. These are the last all points regarding tongue. Last line. Carbo-veg for bad breath. Fetor oris with scorbutic gum, loose teeth and pyorrhea. Mouth taste is bitter and sour. Gums black. Arsenic for bad breath. Apathy, fetor oris. Drink hot water with eager. Water taste is bitter. Saliva bloody. Speech rapid. Graphitis for bad breath. Bad breath with ulceration in the angles of mouth. Burning blisters on tongue. Taste is like sour or rotten egg. Taste means this mouth taste is like sour or rotten eggs. Creosote for bad breath. Foul breath with rapid decay of teeth. Puffy, bleeding, bluish, spongy gums. With this the video ends. Thanks for listening and viewing. Any problem, please write it in the comment section. I would certainly attend.